Magsisimula na ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas na i-demonetize ang mga lumang peso bills. Ayon sa BSP, hanggang December 31, 2015 na lamang pwedeng gamitin ang mga lumang perang papel. Ang detalye sa ulat ni George Bandola.
May isang taon pa para gamitin ang mga perang papel na may lumang disenyo. Ayon sa Bangko Sentral, hanggang December 31, 2015 na lamang maaaring ipambili o gamitin ang mga lumang perang papel. Pagdating ng January 1, 2016 hanggang December 31, 2016 naman, maaari na lamang itong ipalit sa Bangko Sentral o sa alinmang bangko at hindi na tatanggapin sa alinmang pamilihan. Epektibo January 1, 2017, mawawalan na ito ng halaga.
We wanted to prevent counterfeiting. If the counterfeiters have been used to doing it year after year for the last 20 years, they've been gotten used to it, they become experts, and you cannot discern what is counterfeit and what is not. That's the first reason. The second reason is that we also want to benchmark with other countries. Okay? Central banks benchmark with other countries so that they can preserve the integrity of their respective currency notes. Thirdly, some central banks with the change in government would also take that opportunity to demonetize the old currency and introduce new currency notes. There's also the change in type of currencies used within the country as part of the political or social reforms.
29 na taon nang umiiral ang lumang papel, pero nasa 729 na milyong piraso pa raw nito ang nasa sirkulasyon na nagkakahalaga ng 192 billion pesos. Nailabas na ng BSP ang mga bagong perang papel noon pang December 2010, kaya napapanahon ng iretiro ang mga lumang pera. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.